However, not all health devices are as precise as many think. Here are 5 health gadgets to approach with caution. Understand their limitations first. First up is smart scales. They determine body fat through electrical signals, but their results can fluctuate based on hydration levels and the time of day. Next, fitness trackers. These are excellent for spotting trends, but calorie counts and heart rates may differ significantly, especially during intense workouts. Third are wrist blood pressure monitors. While they offer convenience, they are often less reliable than traditional upper arm monitors when not used properly. Fourth on the list are pulse oximeters. These devices can provide trustworthy readings, but factors such as movement, cold fingers, or nail polish may influence the outcomes. Lastly, we have infrared thermometers. These are fast and user-friendly, yet distance, angle, and environmental conditions can alter readings. What's the takeaway from all this? These devices can be helpful, but they aren't flawless. They should complement your understanding, not replace it. When used appropriately and with a focus on trends, they can be effective tools. If you're seeking more clear, practical insights into smart health technology, consider subscribing for further information.